Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll need a Mac and an Android phone, plus a remote access app. First, enable screen sharing or remote management on the Mac. Make sure the Mac stays awake. Next, install Chrome Remote Desktop or VNC Viewer on your Android device and sign in with the same account where required. Once done, create the Access PIN or link the devices. I'm telling you this now because establishing the secure connection is the single step that makes Safari available on Android. After pairing, tap the Mac entry and authenticate. The Mac screen appears on your Android. Use touch gestures to move the cursor, click the dock, and open Safari, just like on the Mac. Make sure to adjust resolution and bandwidth settings if the stream is laggy. Lower quality reduces lag but softens text, while higher quality improves readability. Also switch to keyboard mode for typing in URLs or passwords. This avoids repeated on-screen clicks and keeps the session efficient and usable. To finish, close Safari on the Mac and disconnect the remote session from your Android app. Don't just close the app or you may leave the Mac exposed. Save bookmarks to iCloud so they persist and sign out of any sensitive sites. If the connection drops, first confirm the Mac isn't sleeping and that the firewall allows the remote app. If problems continue, restart the remote app, recheck credentials, and verify network stability. Most issues are network or permission-related and fixable quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.